A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling, U.S. District Judge Steven Merryday has dismissed former President Donald Trump's defamation lawsuit against the New York Times, highlighting the lawsuit's failure to comply with federal procedural rules. The judge's decision, issued on September 19, 2025, criticized the 85-page complaint as excessively long and convoluted, asserting that it did not adhere to the requirements set forth in Rule 8 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. This rule mandates that pleadings must contain a short and plain statement of the claim that is simple, concise, and direct. The lawsuit, which alleges defamation by the New York Times and several other defendants, was described by Judge Merryday as a specimen of a broader phenomenon seen in various legal cases, but he noted that this particular complaint was an unusually aggravated specimen. The judge pointed out that while some pleadings may require length due to their complexity, the complaint filed by Trump's legal team was filled with unnecessary details and repetitive allegations that strayed from the core issues at hand. Judge Merryday specifically called out the complaint's opening remarks, which claimed that Trump won the 2020 election in historic fashion and accused the Times of becoming a full-throated mouthpiece of the Democrat Party. The judge emphasized that a legal complaint is not a platform for political rhetoric or personal grievances, but rather a means to inform defendants of the nature of the claims against them in a clear and professional manner. In his ruling, Merryday stated, "A complaint is not a public forum for vituperation and invective, not a protected platform to rage against an adversary." He further asserted that the lengthy and detailed nature of the complaint did not align with the purpose of a legal pleading, which should be concise and to the point. The judge has granted Trump's legal team 28 days to amend the complaint, stipulating that the revised version must not exceed 40 pages, excluding the caption, signature, and any attachments. This ruling marks a notable moment in the ongoing legal battles surrounding Trump, particularly as he continues to face scrutiny and litigation related to his actions during and after his presidency. As the political landscape evolves, this dismissal raises questions about the viability of Trump's legal strategies and the implications for his public image. Observers will be closely watching as the former president's team works to refile the lawsuit in compliance with the court's directives. The ruling also underscores the importance of adhering to procedural norms in the legal system, particularly in high-profile cases involving prominent figures. This dismissal is not just a setback for Trump, but a reminder of the rigorous standards that govern legal proceedings in federal courts. As the legal process unfolds, it remains to be seen how Trump's team will adapt their approach in light of the judge's criticisms and whether they can present a more compelling case that meets the necessary legal thresholds. The implications of this ruling extend beyond the courtroom, as it reflects the broader tension between political figures and the media, particularly in an era marked by heightened scrutiny and partisan divides. The outcomes of such legal battles will likely influence public perception and the ongoing discourse surrounding free speech, defamation, and the responsibilities of both the press and public figures. In summary, Judge Merryday's ruling serves as a critical reminder of the need for clarity and conciseness in legal pleadings, particularly in cases involving high-profile individuals like Donald Trump. As the legal landscape continues to shift, both Trump and the media will need to navigate the complexities of their relationship in a manner that respects the legal framework while engaging in the public discourse. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.